Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Bitmoji to Google Slides using your phone, Android or iOS. It doesn't really matter. It is the same for both the devices. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so that I can guide you step by step on how to do it. First, to do this, you need to download the Bitmoji app from the App Store. This is the Bitmoji app. You need to get this app and download it. After that, simply open the Bitmoji app on your device and find the sticker you want to use and simply tap the sticker and then copy it. After that, open the Google Slides app and go to the presentation or the slide where you want that particular image to be or particular Bitmoji to be. After that, simply go here and click on your slide and tap on edit slides. After that, choose where you want to add that into. Now here you will see a pop-up saying paste. You can simply paste it and the Bitmoji will appear on your Google Slides without any problem. Resize, move or rotate the Bitmoji to fit your slide perfectly. You can also use Bitmoji for fun interactive slides or personalized presentation. And that's it guys. Now your slides are more fun and engaging with Bitmoji. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more and comment below which Bitmoji you would like to add first. And thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.